In this video, I'm going to show you my top strategies for finding winning Facebook ad creatives and templates so that you can develop new creatives as fast as possible to test as much as possible to increase your overall results. All right, now let's jump right into the first method. And I've covered this before in many videos, and I'm sure you've heard about it, but it is the Facebook ad library. This is the tried and true OG method of finding winning Facebook ad creatives, and it's the free method as well. And I'm going to get into some other methods that are more paid. And all this is going to give you is exact insights into what competitors are running and what other brands are running in terms of their actual ads, what copywriting they're using, what creatives they're using, but you're not going to be able to get any actual templates, and you're going to be on your own to build that creative based on the inspiration that you're going to get from this ad. The other negative feature of using the Facebook ad library is you're not able to actually save that ad creative. And so if that brand stops running that ad, you're not going to be able to see that ad anymore unless you manually download it to a Google Doc and use a certain tool to be able to download a video ad, right? It's pretty tedious, and so it is free. So it's a bit of a lengthier method if you do want to save these ads for kind of long-term inspiration. But let's get into how to use this first of all. So when we're in here, what I like to do typically is I might just go ahead and search for a specific brand. And so IM8, right? If I wanted to look at IM8's ads and exactly what they're running, and this is all of their ads globally. And so you can do that, or you can just look at a particular country. So if I wanted to just look at Canada, I could go all ads here, IM8, just in Canada, and you can see there's 760 results. So quite a few results, and you can see they have a ton of different templates right here. We can see all their copywriting, we can see their entire headline and description right here, and we can see all the different ads that they're running, the video ads, etc. And you can actually click on the link as well to learn a little bit more about what landing page they're actually sending that traffic to. And you can click on to see the ad details. In general, this is all going to be the same. Almost every advertiser is running every single ad to all platforms. And you can see the transparency by location right here. So you can see what regions they have included and excluded. And so that's kind of like a newer feature right here. And you can also see some of the demographic targeting that they're doing, which looks like they're doing 18 to 65 plus, gender, and you can see a little bit of the reach right here for this particular ad. And so it's a little bit more insights here than there used to be, but there's definitely a limitation around, is this ad working based on, you're kind of just looking at how long has this ad been running to determine how well it's performing. All right, now, if you did want to use any of these creatives, you can actually just go into here and you can right click and you can just go ahead and save and download this. So you can get some inspiration that way and just download the actual image ads. It doesn't work the same for video ads, but you can actually just download the actual creatives directly from the Facebook ad library. All right, and lastly, another thing that you can do with this if you don't want to search for specific brands is you can search for certain keywords as well. So you can see keyword or advertiser right here. And so if you just kind of want to get an idea for, golf clubs, for example, or whatever your kind of business is related to, you can just search for a keyword and you will get a ton of different ads sorted by the newest ones first that include the word golf clubs. And so you can see Vice Golf, different brands here that feature that word. And so, you're going to get some good inspiration here on, what competitors are in the market and what type of ads are being ran. All right, so that is the first method to find Facebook ad creatives. But again, the problem with this is it doesn't really give you the templates and the speed to be able to find those creatives that give you inspiration and turn them into actual ads for your business. And so one of the methods that I like the best now to actually get creative super fast and test super fast is to look at platforms that congregate templates for you from winning e-commerce ads. And so a popular one is CreativeOS. I mentioned them before in other videos, but this gives you templates of a ton of the top e-commerce brands and their exact creatives, and it allows you to download those from over 10,000 templates to Canva so you can seamlessly edit and customize those creatives, including your product, including your copywriting and the benefits and things that make your product unique, onto that actual image ad, and then you can export that and upload it to Facebook ads. So it's super simple, and I really like this. So what this is essentially, it's like a software. It gives you access to all those different templates, and you can go ahead and again download all of those and use them. And so you can try this out. I don't have an affiliate link to this, but CreativeOS is something that we use internally with our team. And so you can go ahead and try one of these out, and you can get a ton of different creatives for basically a fraction of the cost for how long and how much time it's going to take you to develop these templates on your own. And simply pay this, get all those templates, and continue to get new ones updated and adding new ones every single month. Now, something that I actually do because it can, kind of be expensive to constantly be paying, $100 per month to this. If you're not looking to, really find new templates all the time, and you kind of want to just stick with a couple core ones that you can use for every single time and just kind of customize them to multiple brands, something kind of like we do, then you can pay for the $99 per month subscription and download a bunch of templates, and then you can just constantly reuse those and have them saved to your Canva account. So you can just download them and then continue to reuse them. You don't need to keep paying for the subscription, but that just gives you access to the new templates. Now, another thing with that, if you want to just go ahead and access a ton of different templates, I've also paid for things like the Etsy and the Creative Marketplace for ready-to-use templates, which is the same as essentially CreativeOS. It just gives you all those templates at a fixed fee versus CreativeOS gives you access to an entire library, and then you can download as many as you want. There's, again, thousands and thousands of templates on CreativeOS. You could download all of those to your own account and save them, or you could just pay a smaller fee and you get access to a ton of different templates. And so here is an example of one that I actually purchased, and this gives me over 100 different templates of creatives that I can use. And so this is an example of how I customize it. So I have Heal Your Gut, Rise, and then you can essentially just customize all aspects of this ad right here. You can delete this and delete all the other aspects to customize that ad. Or you have this Vezies example right here where you can then delete this, change this logo, change these callouts, change the background, image, change the benefits, and customize that to your brand. Or you have this Blissy ad, again, you can change that. Or these earphones, breakfast, tons of different ads here, and you can just see, you can just keep scrolling, and there's just a ton of different templates right here with the inspiration. And so this is the best way, again, having this all in one doc is really nice as well, but this is the best way to really increase your creative volume, test a ton of different things based on proven templates. And the last method that I recommend is kind of a blend of all the past ones that I just recommended, and that is using something called Atria. Now, this is a new software, and essentially it blends multiple different softwares that I personally use and really liked all into one, including the Facebook ad library. And so if you've ever used a tool like 4Play, or there's also Magic Brief, that allows you to connect to the Facebook ad library and download those creatives into set briefs or like essentially folders of creatives for inspiration. Now, what this does is it actually enhances that because it allows you, again, in this case, if I just go back here, I'm in the discovery section currently. And so as you can see right here, I can see a ton of different ads that they just pulled from the Facebook ad library that are, winning ads. And there's, instead of on the Facebook ad library, where we only have a limited amount of customization, in this one, you could actually customize by certain ad styles, which is very similar to CreativeOS. You can customize by the format, so you can look at images, videos, or carousels, the video length if you want, if it's on Meta or on TikTok, because this also pulls from TikTok ads. So instead of having to look at Meta ads and TikTok ads, you just get to look in this one platform. Industry as well. You can also look at active and inactive and then the languages. And so what I really like about this, again, is if I search for, again, golf clubs, like the past example, I can search for keywords right here, and it shows me all of the top brands and who is running the most ads for that exact keyword. And so I can see this Lazarus Golf has 3,160 ads, all with that keyword. Golf Gods has 746. Topgolf has 223. And you kind of just see all the different brands right here. And you could scroll over right here and just continue to look at and find all of the different competitors here sorted a lot better. And so you can actually just go line by line, competitor by competitor, and find what ads that you like the most. And you can just easily look through each of these ads to get inspiration. And the best part about this is instead of actually having to now find a template for an ad that's similar to that one that you like, or manually download things, what you can actually do is go ahead and transcribe the script from videos that you like, and you can go ahead and also open up the image ad creatives, and you can easily save these to a folder so you can get an entire library of inspiration for ads that you like and that you want to emulate. So you can save these to boards, you can tag them, and this could be your golf club board. And essentially you could easily organize this, you could provide comments, your whole team can access this, and it's just a much better solution. And so again, if I wanted to open up this video, maybe I really like this and what they're doing with this video, I could go ahead and download this entire video right here. I could also go ahead and transcribe this script right here. So it's going to cost me 1 credit, but I could get this entire video script, so I have that on hand to easily be able to recreate this entire video ad. Now, like I mentioned, this tool is called Atria. Okay, and I'm going to leave a link to this tool in the description. There is a cost to it, and it's the most expensive option. But if you are a serious advertiser, I would recommend trying this tool out. It's growing a ton, and it's honestly one of the best tools that I've ever seen. And so you can go to this tool and go to that link in the description to get a 7-day free trial, and you can access all the features that I'm showing you here. I'm currently on the 7-day trial as well. And you can go ahead and use all these different things, try out the tool for yourself, and really see how good it is. Yeah, and one feature that I didn't even show you on here is you can actually clone this image ad. So again, blends all the different elements that I just showed you all into one tool. And all you got to do is sign up for this, select your brand, so you can create a brand in your tone, and then you will get the template to go ahead and use that image ad exactly for your brand. So if you want to try this tool out, I'll leave a link in the description. It'll bring you right to this page where you can go ahead and start a 7-day free trial and try out this tool for yourself. And yeah, overall, just really excited about this tool. It's the world's largest ad library, they say. Again, from what I've seen and tried so far, I'm loving this tool. And again, if you're a serious advertiser, would highly recommend it. And there you go. Those are my top strategies to find winning Facebook ads. And if you found this valuable, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel right now, because I'm making a ton of other videos around how to develop top Facebook ad copy, how to develop ads entirely using AI, how to optimize your Facebook ads, and how to scale to new heights using the best practices in digital marketing, lead generation, and sales growth. And with that, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.